In this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina. How to solve this problem by using the Solidate software. The problem reads as a regular pentagonal lamina of 25 mm side is resting on one of its corners on HP, while the side opposite to this corner touches VP. If the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP and 30 degree with VP, draw the projections of the lamina. So to do this, first I will go for the Solidate screen. So this is the home screen of the Solidate, wherein the sheet is set for A2 size. Now I need to change it to A4. Why? Because I want to take the printout in A4 in examination. So to do that, I will just go to sheet 1 on the lower left corner. Just right click on the right click on the button of the mouse. Click on sheet setup. So here the background sheet is A2. You change the background to A4. And I don't want to show the background. That is, I don't want to display this nameplate. So you just click on OK. So now the sheet shrinks to A4. But the display is still set for A2. So to do that, you just fit it so that you will going to get A4 size. The sheet size is fit to that particular display. Once you do that, now we will going to start typing the text. So to do that, first I will go for text, that is click on Times New Roman and the font size as 3 and enter. So first we will go to write a regular pentagonal lamina. You take the cursor here and click a regular pentagonal lamina of 25 mm side. 25 mm side is resting on one of its corners on HP, while the side opposite to the corner is touching VP, while the side opposite to this corner is touching VP. Touches VP. If the lamina makes then an angle of 60 degree, by pressing the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key, 60 degree with HP and 30 degree, Alt 0176 with VP, push up, and 30 degree with VP. Draw the projections of the lamina. Okay, then just right click. Now you go to move, come down to sketch, click on move, disable copy, you select on this and move it here. Then come down to fade, then go to zoom window. Okay. Now I need to write the sketch. So to do that, here what I have done, I have taken for a 3 mm side. So you just click on this. I will show you how to change this to 4. You just click on 4. Now you can see it has been changed to 4. Then, as we increase the size of the font, then what happens? So here, this going beyond the sheet. So once it goes beyond the sheet, it is not possible for me to get the printout after this the boundary. You will not be able to get the display. So now I need to edit this. You just go to this, select this and come down to take the cursor here. Okay, press enter key. So you are going to get to the second line. Then you take the cursor here, give one space, then plus delete. So you are going to get this inside. So now this is how you can always edit the multiple line text. So again you go to fit. So now you come down and take this screen nearer. Now I want to write a pentagonal lamina. So to do that, first I will go for a line command and take this line width, make it 0.05, sorry, make this 0.05, 0.05, enter. Now I want to draw a pentagon of 25 mm side. So first you keep the pentagon in the horizontal position, take line, take 25, enter, angle is 0, then 25, angle is 72, then 25, angle is 144, okay, then 25, angle is 144 plus 72, 216, 216, then 216 plus 72, 288. So 25, 288. So now we have the pentagon drawn. Once you do that, I want, see, if you select this line, if you select pentagon, it will take only this line. If you select this line, then this line will be unselected. So the moment when I click on this, all the lines should be selected. So to do that, I will go for a group. Select the entire thing by pressing on the first button on the mouse outside and drag it. Make sure that entire pentagon is kept within the square box and just release the first button of the mouse. So all the 5 lines will going to be highlighted. You just click on right click. Now as you see here, what happens? If I select on any one line, all the lines will going to be get selected. So what is the line width? It should be 0.5. Now I got this. Now we go for rotate, select this and then remove copy, take the end point. This vertical horizontal line should become vertical, so you take it vertical. Now you just go to move, select this and keep it wherever you want. Then go to line and draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window and here you type text. You mark this as A and you mark this as B, C, D and E. Now we go to line command and draw a line from end point, draw a vertical line. Similarly from B and D, draw a vertical line. And similarly from C also, you draw a vertical line. Okay, then of course you extend this. Then go to trim or trim corner between these two and between these two. You just go to select this line and keep it 0.5. Okay. Now I need to write the front view. So to do that, I will go to text. So here I will mark A dash. Here I will mark B dash. Then C dash. Similarly on D dash will be in bracket because it is not visible. When you look from the front view. So similarly D dash is not visible. So go to zoom area. And then go to move, disable copy, take A, take B, then C, then D, then E. Then you take it, come down to this, go to move, take A dash, similarly B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash. Now you group this. So what to do? You just go to split this line till here and now you go for a group between these two now. Okay, then go to line, draw one horizontal line of any length and go to text and here you put this text capital X and in this case it is VP, and in this case it is HP. Now you go to split this line till here, then go to delete this line. Again go to move, take this vertical plane and keep it here, then HP, then X. Okay. Now it is one of the corners on HP. So how to do that? Now you go to zoom window, go to move, enable copy. You select this, move this from one location to this. How to do that? You just go to, since I want to move it only in X, y displacement should be 0, and take it wherever you want and click. Okay. Now we got the second position front view. Now I want to rotate this by an angle of 60 degrees. So to do that, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other IntelliSketch options should be switched on. Then go to move, rotate. So select this entire thing and then click the center of rotation as I want to keep this on XY line. So because it is resting on corner, and take this endpoint. So what is the rotation angle you want? I want the rotation angle to be 60. So as you give this, so it will move in counterclockwise direction, but I want it to the top, that is in the clockwise. So you take the cursor here and click. Now you go to line command, draw a line from endpoint and from here also. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two. Now again go to line. As you move the cursor from here, you can see that this is the endpoint what you want to take. Draw a vertical projector, similarly from the horizontal projector and also from here. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two. Then between these two. Similarly go to line, take endpoint and draw a vertical line. And from here also you take EA, and here also from E you take it. Then go to trim corner between these two. No. So you go to trim corner between this and also between these two. Now you go to line, take a endpoint to this endpoint, to this endpoint, to this endpoint, to this endpoint. Now you go to split this line till here, and also you split this line till here, and you split this line till here. Okay. Now all the sides are being only the sides has to be dark. So you take all these 5 sides by holding the shift key. Then come down to this and make it 0.5. Now I will go to move, enable copy. You take A dash, move it here. Then you take E dash and move it here. Then you go to B dash and keep it here. Then go to D dash and keep it here. And now you take C dash. Okay. Then go to line and take the endpoint of this and draw a horizontal line of any length. Now I need to write the top view now. So go to move, enable copy. You take A and copy this till here. Then you take B and copy this here. Then you take C and copy this here. Then you take D. Then you take E. Okay. Now I want to group this now. So go to group, select all these 5 lines. Okay, select this line and this line. Now one of the corner is touching VP, touching HP. Corner opposite to this side will go to touch as VP. So to do that, I will go to move, enable copy. You select this and move it here. Then what I need to do, I need to rotate it in clockwise. So you just click on this base point, you take these two horizontal and you make it vertical like this. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this, take endpoint and click on nearest point, take this. Okay. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line. Okay. Now once you do that, now I need to draw the XY line outside. So here you take this out. So once you do that, you come down to zoom window. Now how to move this? Now you just go to move, enable copy. So you take A on this side, okay, then B, then take C, then D, then E. Okay. Once you do that, go to fit, go to zoom window. Now you draw a horizontal projector from A dash and A dash. So here you don't switch on this, disable that. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw a vertical projector from here to here. Then go to trim corner between these two. Okay. Then again go to line, draw a horizontal projector from B dash and D dash. Okay. And draw a vertical projector from B and also from D. And then go to trim corner between these two. Okay. Now we need to complete the sketch. So to do that, I will go to endpoint and take this endpoint and to this endpoint, to this endpoint, to this endpoint. So what we have done? Corner is resting on HP, side opposite the corner touches sweep. That's what we have done. So go to split this line till here, and then go to text. Here you type this is A dash. Okay, sorry. This is A dash. This is E dash. This is D dash, and this is B dash, and this is C dash. Okay, then go to fit, zoom window. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select this, then you take B dash, then you take E dash, select this, okay, and you select this, all these 5 sides you select and make it 0.5. Okay, then go to move, take D dash and keep it here, then take C dash and keep it here. So once you do that, now I need to write this profile view. So to do that, I will go to line command and draw a vertical projector from here. Then go to line, take intersection of these two. So I will take 100, then minus 45. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw a horizontal line. And go to trim. Then similarly go to line and take endpoint and draw a horizontal line of any length. So measure the distance from B to D. Then go to trim, this one. Then go to line, take endpoint and go to trim corner between these two. Then go to line, take endpoint and draw onto the 45 degree line. Similarly from this point, then you take this two. And now go to trim this line. Similarly, go to trim corner between these two. Similarly, go to split this line till here and go to delete. Select on this and press delete. Now we have the line. So once you draw the line, take endpoint. Since the surface is inclined to both HP and VP, obviously that surface will be perpendicular to the profile plane. Now come down to zoom window, Now here you go to text, and here you type A double dash, then bracket E double dash. Okay, here it is B double dash, then go to D double dash in bracket. Similarly, C double dash. Okay, then go to move, disable copy, you select A double dash and keep it here. Then you take E double dash, then you take B double dash, then you take D double dash. Similarly, you take C double dash. Now this is how you will be able to solve the problem by using the solid software. So now you just click on this and make that line 0.5. So then go to angle between. Of course, you need to do the dimensioning style. Come down to ISO, click on modify, click on general. All these should make it black because your computer printout will going to be in A4 and black and white. So go to text. In the text you take Times New Roman, okay, and take the font size as 3. Then go to lines and coordinates, take it 0.1. Okay, come down to units, and here the angular unit is rounded up to 0.12 and say OK. And now you say apply. Now we want to go for dimensioning. Before that, I will go to split this line till here, and you split this line till here. Similarly, you split this line till here. Then go to select by holding the shift key. Select all these things and you remove it. Now we go for the text. In the text here we'll take X1, capital X1, and here you take capital Y1, and here you have Y, and here you have RPP. Then I want to move this, that is RPP, and you just go to move, keep it inside. So here you take Y and keep it here. Now we go for the angle between these two. Angle will be 30, and similarly from here it will be, go to angle between, select this line and select this line, you take it 60. Okay, then go to move, select this and keep it outside. So this is how you will be able to draw the drawing by using the solid software. And how do I know that my drawing is right? You can see that even in the final position, what you can see here is, just move this first. Corner is resting on HP while the corner opposite side is touching VP, and the one of the corner is on HP such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. So the meaning is, I will just go to angle between, select between these two. So whatever the HP inclination is there, the same thing you will want to get it here. So it's 60 degrees. And the corner is resting on HP and the side opposite the corner is on VP. And then the surface's inclination is with respect to HP. And this is a pentagonal surface of 25 mm side. So I will go to take the pentagon of 25 mm sides. So go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it with outside. So similarly you take move and keep it here. And from here also you take B dash and D dash. Okay. So this is how you will be able to solve the problem by using the solid software. And how do I know that my problem is right? You can see that corner is resting on HP, the corner opposite side is touches VP, and the surface is inclined at 60 degrees to HP, and it is a pentagonal surface of 25 mm side. Once the surface becomes inclined to HP at 30 degrees, obviously that surface will be having 30 degree with respect to VP. So this is how you will be, since I have incorporated all the data given in the problem, and hence our problem is right when by doing it by using the solid software. Thank you.